Hello, photographers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess from Cheers Babe Photo, and today you're gonna learn how to create your own custom Lightroom brush. I'm so excited to dive in with you. Let's do it. I think we all know the feeling of having an image where the edit is so close but not quite perfect. So I'm sure that you've taken full advantage of the brush tool in Lightroom. It's such a powerful tool. But did you know that you can actually create your own custom Lightroom brush? I did not know you could create a custom brush until a few years ago. And let me tell you, this is such a game changer. Basically, a custom brush tool allows you to create a mini preset that can be used as a brush. And it is powerful and will make your images just that much more polished. Okay, so we have this precious photo from Kendall and Devin's first look here, and I just want to give it a little extra magic touch with my custom brushes. So first, we have to know where those are and how to make them. So let's head into our brush tool. Obviously, normally we're working with temperature or contrast or highlights in these brushes. And here is where all of my custom goodies are. So one of the things I love to do is add a little extra glow in my photos with my Add Warm brush tool. I love how much light is coming in on this side of the photo, and I want to kind of bring it in over in this cooler corner where these greens are. So I might go and use my Add Warm tool right here, which all it does is it adds plus 15 yellow. And this is really easy to make. Let's say you want yours to be a plus 22 yellow. Maybe you want a little extra glow. So how are you going to save this as your own preset? All you need to do is click whatever settings you want here on a new brush. Then you'll go to Save Current Settings as New Preset. And you can type it, you can say plus 22 glow, or call it whatever you want, create, and then boom, that is right in your brushes for a go-to. You can come back. This will be in any Lightroom catalog that you create from now on. How great is that? And look how lovely. We're just gonna add a little warm, so pretty. I think it's a little cool right here too. And let's just like bring it out up here. So nice, right? So custom brushes can be used for so many things, like I just showed you, the glow and everything, but something I use them for most frequently is to really nail down everyone's skin tones. So you can even see in this image that within each subject here, both the bride and groom, like there are multiple tonalities happening. So Kendall's skin, both on her like face and lower arm right here, look a little pinky, and then more towards her back because she's in a very green forest, and even her hair, it's looking a lot more green yellow. Then in Devin's skin, you can see the bright light from the sky is taking out a lot of the warmth on the top of his head, so it looks kind of cool. And then here in the shadow of his face, things are just looking a little bit green on his skin tone. So let's go ahead and use the Add Green tool to get rid of some of the pinky tones in her skin, even those out. That looks great. And then we'll do a new brush tool and add magenta for these more green tones in her skin. And you can always have something subtle like I do, where you can almost not even tell the difference there. And then you can adjust it a little more from there. So I might put it right at 15. And I think that looks a little better. Now let's go to Devin. So I'm going to keep this Add Magenta, but make sure you're on a new brush so that they can be separate layers, and get rid of some of these green tones in his shadows of his face. A little bit further right there, and then new. And I want to add a little warmth on the top of his head here from the glow. Yeah, that looks great. Amazing. It really is that simple. This is like a little bonus tip, but all of the brushes that you've created for the brush tool can also be used as a graduated filter. So if you want to apply one of these over a huge swath of your image, like I do this a lot for like skies and stuff like that. I have like a pink skies and a color punch, all this stuff. So if we want to add warm, let's say, across this whole section of the image, I can pull like that edit and it's covering this entire area now. It works both for the brush and the graduated filter, which I love. I hope you guys play around with this and have some fun. It's so easy and it's going to take your images to the next level. I want to encourage you to dive in today. Try this out. Pull up an image or a handful or even a full session that you want to play around with the edits again, and go ahead and create a few of your own custom brushes. It's going to be so fun to play around and figure out what exactly are the kinds of brushes that are going to take your work to the next level. Just have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, I would be so touched if you hit the little thumbs up button, and also please subscribe to this channel. Not only does it help support me and this journey of growing an audience here on YouTube, it also helps other photographers just like you to see this video and learn from my content. So honestly, support all around. #community over competition. Let's go. Okay, anyway, do all the things. Like, subscribe, send to your friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.